So by the end of this video, here's what you're going to learn. Number one is the difference between low ticket, high ticket, and recurring offers. Number two is the 5 types of affiliate programs that are available out there currently. And number 3 is an example of each type of affiliate program that we cover in this video today. Hi, welcome back to Modest Coaching. My name is Danielle, and I believe that anybody, no matter what their situation, can learn to excel in the business of affiliate marketing and start to make that life-changing income that they're looking for. Today we are continuing on What is Affiliate Marketing series with lesson number 5. In today's lesson, we're going to be covering some common affiliate marketing terms as well as a couple different programs that will help you start building your affiliate marketing business. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with the 3 different ways that you can get paid by an affiliate marketing program. Number 1, there's low ticket offers. Number 2, there's high ticket offers. And number 3, there's this thing called recurring offers. So let's go over what each of those individual offers are. Essentially, what a low ticket offer means is that you're going to be promoting a low ticket price item. Now, depending on who you listen to or what you read, a low ticket offer is typically anything that's less than $1,000 when it's being sold. So if you're selling a piece of sunglasses that are for $20, that is considered a low ticket offer. Now, because they are low ticket price offers, then most of the time your commissions are going to be relatively small, which means that you're going to have a lot of traffic in order to make the amount of income that you're looking for. In short, according to my mentor, as long as the commission price is less than $1,000, then it should be considered as a low ticket offer. On the opposite side, there are things called high ticket offers, which pretty much means that you're going to be promoting products that have a much higher price range. Once again, depending on what you've been told or what you have read in the past, a high ticket offer should be anything where you can make a commission of $1,000 or more after that high ticket product has been purchased. High ticket offers, just like they sound like, will result in higher commission rates, which means that you will earn a bigger chunk of the change when it comes to being paid out at the end. The only downside to high ticket offers is the fact that they are high ticket offers. It means that they are going to be a lot higher in price range, which means that your niche is going to be probably a lot smaller than what your niche would be for a low ticket offer. And because of this, you're going to have a huge amount of traffic going out just to get the amount of audience that you will need to actually purchase this high ticket offer. Moving on to the third kind of offer, it's called the recurring offer. Essentially, what a recurring offer means that you will get paid up front, and then you can also get paid as time goes on for future purchases that audience member ends up purchasing. A common example of this is if you have a product that has a one-time purchase, but then after that one-time purchase, the company offers you a subscription-based service. So once they sign up for a subscription-based service, then they would pay, let's say, $10 a month. So you would get a recurring commission on that $10 a month because your original upfront sale led to a subscription. Pretty much as long as you have the right amount of traffic, the right audience, the right niche that you're promoting to, any of these 3 ways are very possible in starting to make income when it comes to your affiliate marketing business. So now that you know that there's 3 different types of offers, let's take a look at the 5 different affiliate programs and what they're called. Number 1 is platforms. Number 2 is retailers. Number 3 is offer networks. Number 4 is specific offers. And number 5 is ad networks. A great example of an affiliate platform is something that we discuss a lot on this channel, and it's called Amazon Associates. So what makes Amazon a platform? Amazon is a very large vendor that essentially takes care of all the back-end stuff. So once your audience member chooses to purchase a certain product, they take care of all the handling, they take care of the shipping, they take care of all the financials, and they take care of any returns or any questions that they may have. At the same time, while that happens on the back end, Amazon also provides you additional information in your Amazon Associates account. They tell you the number of clicks, they tell you the number of sales that you made, they tell you whether or not they purchase anything additional on top of the purchase that you were promoting, and they give you a lot of different feedback. And then at the same time, they also help you by showing you what are the best sellers out there and what are the products that you could promote based off of what you promoted in the past. Just like we've discussed in previous videos, you can pretty much promote any item that's on Amazon through a specific affiliate link that you're given once you become a part of their Amazon Associates program. Because of the vast numbers of different products that you can purchase and the different products that you can promote on Amazon, it does unfortunately result in a much lower commission rate. Essentially, most of the time it ranges from 1% to 10% depending on what you're selling and how large that price range is. So once again, we can consider, since this is such a small commission, we can consider Amazon Associates as a low ticket offer affiliate program. Okay, moving right along on to number 2, which is retailers affiliate programs. Now it sounds just like it says as is part of its name, it's retailers. So you're talking about Best Buy, you're talking about Home Depot, you can do Dick's Sporting Goods, Target, Macy's, whatever is still out there. More than likely, these retailers will have some type of associates program or an affiliate program, or some of them even call them partnerships. And similar to Amazon, each of these retailers also give you either a specific link that has the text or the text in the image that you then go and promote via your YouTube, your website, or whatever choice of form you use to promote that offer. Once again, just like Amazon, these retailers do have a smaller commission rate. Some of the commission rates are as small as 0.5% per sale and as high as 8%. And I have found by doing my research that Best Buy tends to have the smallest commission rate at that 0.5%. And a lot of the times it doesn't include any of the electronics. So you actually have to promote everything that hasn't nothing to do with their electronics, which is sort of a downside because Best Buy is great for electronics. So I highly recommend looking at other places such as Target, Walmart, Home Depot, and other places, depending on what your niche is. And once again, with small commission rates, it also means that these retailers are more than likely going to be classified as a low offer affiliate program. Next in the category is number 3, which is the offer networks. There are 2 types of offer networks. There's affiliate programs, which we pretty much have covered, and there's CPA networks. Affiliate networks are just like platforms and retailers where you promote a product and you use a specific link that is given to you. A CPA network, or a cost per action network, is exactly as it sounds. So you may get paid for the purchase of the product that you're promoting, but you can also get paid for things such as bringing in more people who provide emails to a specific network, or having some people watch a certain video a number of times, or doing things like filling out surveys. That works. And then also they could download specific apps. So CPA, or cost per action networks, have a wide range of different actions that someone could take and may be a better fit for you. Me personally, I've never used a CPA network before, so in all honesty, I can't give you a great review of any of them. I can give you an example. The best example that I've been told of is performcb.com. I did try to sign up for maxbounty.com, which is also another CPA network, both of which, to my understanding, is you have a lot of rules that go along with a CPA network. So you make sure to take time to go over all those rules and regulations. Now, on the other side, an example of affiliate network is ClickBank, which we've gone over previously in a couple other videos. Now, ClickBank, just to give you a real quick rundown, is once again, you go on ClickBank, and it's sort of like Amazon, but for different products and different things online. And essentially, you find a product that's in your niche, you find the affiliate link, and you go promote it, once again, with a special link that is associated with your account. Now, depending on what type of programs, what type of products you're promoting, when it comes to an affiliate network, at least from what I've found, is that a lot of the time, probably about 75% of the time, a lot of the products that you're going to promote are going to be classified as low ticket offers. Some may be subscription based, which makes them recurring offers. And some could be high ticket depending on what you consider as high ticket. If you do consider $1,000 as your high ticket, there's not a lot of them probably that are going to be on websites like ClickBank, which is an affiliate network. So most of the time it will be low ticket, but they are better than the Amazon and the retailers for the most part. So coming in at number 4 is special offers. So say, for instance, that you have signed up for ClickBank and you're going through their amount of offers and you find a specific product that you really, really like. It's really geared towards your niche and it's going to do really, really well. And let's say you don't want to, be an affiliate just for this product. Let's say you want to be an affiliate for that specific company in itself. And since it's a specific company that only sells their products, it's not considered a retailer and it's not considered a platform. And because of that, it's considered as a specific offer. So essentially what you can do is while you're in ClickBank, you can click on their specific website and go see whether or not that company provides an affiliate association. So you can go and find out whether or not you can become an affiliate for that program. They are a little harder to get into because you do have to have that niche, you do have to have that website essentially up and running. But at that point, if you've already promoted their products before and they can show them the history, more than likely they will accept you as an affiliate. And so therefore you can be really honed in on your specific niche and never have to really stray and always rely on those specific products. A good example of a specific offer is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software program that is geared towards people who want to create funnels, which is essentially affiliated with affiliate marketing, actually. And so what they do is you sign up for their specific affiliate program. But the cool thing is that you can make up to 40% commissions monthly, pretty much meaning that it is a recurring offer, which is great. So that's number one. But number two is, once again, I'm not quite sure, but I am sure from the research that I've done that sometimes it can be considered as a high ticket depending on how far your audience member purchases into the subscription and how long they stay on. But for the most part, they are going to be a low ticket offer, but with a much higher payout, once again, compared to retailers and platforms. And finally, coming in at number 5, we have ad networks. Essentially what ad networks do is they take people who already have established websites who are interested in showing advertising over on the side or on the bottom or on the top, and they connect them with the specific advertisers from the publishers. Essentially, these ad networks are essentially like an online Amazon, essentially. So publishers who are essentially different companies who want to promote a specific product or a specific service, they create their own ads and then they go drop it in essentially a online database, which is then accessed by advertisers, people who want to promote their website or promote a specific type of product on the website using that already created advertising by the publishers. So what an ad network is, or a good example of an ad network, is that of Google AdSense. Google AdSense has thousands upon thousands of already created content that is geared towards specific niche. So what you would do is, if you had a website or a blog and you went on to Google AdSense, you become part of that program, you would pretty much find what your niche is, and then Google AdSense would then give you the right to put advertising on your page. Now, based off of what your website or your blog or your podcast, whatever it may be, is about, those specific advertising over the right-hand side or wherever it is on your page will change based off of the content that you create. So if you continue to talk about, let's just say, jewelry, if you always talk about jewelry, then you're always going to have some type of advertising on some type of something that is related to jewelry. Now, it won't be the same ad all the time. That's the cool thing about Google is always updating its algorithms. So that ad's going to change. Now, I don't know exactly how frequently and how often they change, but they do change, and it's always based off of the type of people who are coming to your website, what type of topic you're talking about jewelry, and also the amount of content that you put out. Okay, so now that we've covered the 5 different types of affiliate programs, we really didn't have a great example of what a high-ticket offer affiliate program is. So as I've mentioned, I am a member of the Entre Institute, which is a large online-based community of people who are wanting to become entrepreneurs, make that first $1 million, but also in the most important case, we just want to be a better version of ourselves than we are now. And as a member, you can start promoting the Entre Institute as an affiliate marketer. Now, Jeff Lerner, who's the creator, goes through in depth the fact that once you go through the affiliate program and you learn what's it about, you do the courses that they teach you, you can promote Entre Institute as an affiliate. And at the most, you can make $16,672 off of one person and their purchases. Now, how's that possible? It's because Entre, like I said, has an upfront cost. It has courses, it has coaching, it has memberships, it has mastermind, which is essentially the inner circle. So where you pay in to meet with the high top ranking people of Entre and have one-on-one phone calls with them. Coaching, you can do, 12 months of coaching where you do it within a group or do it personally. It's a whole bunch of different things. And they even have a specific type of software, which is fantastic. It takes everything that you would do normally as an affiliate marketer and crams it all into one software, which is amazing. So because of all the different options, Entre Institute has a great commission of $16,672. That is the maximum that you can look for if one person that purchases the original upfront cost goes through the entire program, you can earn up to that amount. Now that, to me, is a high ticket offer. I'm not sure if any other program out there even has that amount of an offer, but that's why I'm part of Entre Institute. It's a great community, and we ask each other a lot of questions. We can see other people's wins. We can see where they're struggling, and all around, it just feels like a large extended family, in all honesty. So if you're at all interested in becoming a member, let me know, or just click the link down in the description below. It will give you a quick video, and also if you want to, you can start off with a free ebook instead, just to get an idea of more about what Jeff Lerner has gone through, as well as how he can better help you in the future. So that's it, guys. I want to personally thank you for getting to this point in the video. I know it was a little long, so thank you for sticking with me. Just like normal, I'd love to hear any feedback that you may have, whether it's a good comment or a constructive criticism comment. Please let me know down below. I also would love to know what you got out of this video, whether or not it hit the right content you were looking for, or if it was missing a specific aspect of the content you were looking for. Please let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to cover any of the missing content that I did not get to. Like usual, if you have any personal questions that you don't want to necessarily drop in the comment section, feel free to email me at info@daniellelawinger.com. Once again, I'll put that also down in the description so you have my email. Until next time, like usual, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you never ever miss a new lesson that's coming up. And until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. See ya.